Hi everyone, this is Mary from Notions Marketing. I'm here to show you some fun new products from our friends at Sizzix. So as you may know, last week we had our Notions Commotions event, and next week our friends at Sizzix are having their own 3-day virtual event. So if you're a retailer and you haven't signed up already, the link to sign up is in the description below. The event is 3 days long. It starts Monday the 25th, so that's this coming Monday, so sign up now. You've only got like 3 days, starting on Monday the 25th. It's 3 days of classes on how to use new releases like Chapter 1 items, Tim Holtz tools, and the new Sizzix Effectz line. So let's get started with the box. So I've already done this part, but okay. Hello and welcome. The countdown to our virtual event is on. Don't forget to join us between January 25th to 27th. Some fun Sizzix branded treats for us. Use those later. Okay. This is their new Sizzix Effectz range. It'll be shipping to retailers in March and available in stores April 1st. So here's the Effectz range. So to start off with, we've got the Gesso Primer, which, I mean, it's a primer. Always good to have a good base. The dimensional paste, which is great. You could push it through like a stencil, and that would give your project a little bit more dimension, a little bit more texture even. Pearlescent medium. You could paint this on and make anything shiny, which I'm always down for. 3D adhesive. So this would be good for your gold flake or I don't know, any glitter maybe. Expand paste. So this is the, you can press this again through a stencil and then heat it up with your heat gun and it puffs up like puff paint. Then we've got the luster wax. So this is in silver, but it does come in 3 colors. So all the metallics come in 3 colors. They come in gold, silver, and rose gold, which is my favorite. Got the decorative foil. So again, this comes in 3 different colors, the rose gold, the gold, and the silver. But also, it doesn't need heat. So you could just use this with your adhesive sheets and it'd work perfect. And then creamy acrylic paint. So, I mean, paint, it's always good for everything. This is the gold. It also comes in silver and rose gold. But it also comes in a whole bunch more colors as well. So, like cherry blossom, primrose, hibiscus, mango tango, lots and lots of colors. As well as silver, gold, and rose gold. Then we've got Tim Holtz tools. We've got the die brush and die pick accessory set for using on your die cuts when they come out of your machine. So it's a little bit quicker than picking out every little individual piece. And the paper shaping kit, which is perfect for making those little dimensional paper flowers. So you just roll them out with the little round piece and it makes them nice and curled. We've got a new paper pad from the Making Essentials. Oh god, that's heavy. Looks like 80 pages. And it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. And that's 146-pound paper. So just a few. Lots of nice pastels for spring. And these are adorable. They're it's a shaker dome, but it's got the shape of a mason jar. So you could put a little bouquet with your little dimensional flowers in the top, put some little stems in there and some glitter or sequins or beads to make it look like bubbles in your mason jar. Super cute. Okay, I think that's the end of the box, but let's do a giveaway. Let's do all of these Sizzix Effectz range, all of it. And if you comment below with your store number and sign up for the Sizzix classes next week, or we'll do a giveaway for these items, these new items. Alrighty, cool. Well, again, the link to sign up for the classes is in the description below. And we're so excited to get to learn how to use this new line next week at the classes. So we hope we'll see you there, and thanks for watching. Bye.